Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This will be my part 2 of the haul video that I did I think last week. So here are a couple of things that I also bought, which include some skincare, a little bit of makeup and some food and random stuff. So stay tuned till the end if you enjoy haul video like me. So hey guys, if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Muitri Haldar. I do post a lot of beauty related content mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also do not forget to follow me in my social media platforms where I'm the most active and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, including my Instagram where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare concerns. So without any further ado, we are going to jump ahead with the haul. This is a very small haul and I wanted to feature a couple of other things that I bought apart from the previous haul video, which I will link it in the bottom box below. So the first thing that I got, or a subscriber of mine sent it to me, don't worry, I have paid him full amount. This is a sunscreen which is a physical sunscreen. This is not a very popular sunscreen, but many of the dermatologists recently are really liking this. This is from a brand called as Eclipse Solar and this is their SPF 50 PA++ mattifying sunscreen which has organic broad spectrum blue light filter. It is also water and sweat resistant. Now this has micronized zinc oxide and micronized titanium dioxide, which is really nice. And in physical sunscreen, micronized zinc oxide or titanium dioxide is not a new thing, but people are really liking this because it does make the overall formulation really smooth, easier to apply and minimum white cast. It does has a little bit of fragrance, but all in all this physical sunscreen is one of the best physical sunscreen that I've applied. It doesn't have any tint like the Requel one, or it doesn't have any white cast like the La Shield one, but it blends beautifully, doesn't give you a white cast and doesn't even makes your skin oily. So I'm really liking this. This one retails for 499 or 500 rupees, but apparently in the website that is available you can order it in a bulk, like in 15 amount. So one of my subscribers reached out to me and he wanted me to try it, so I got it for 500 rupees from him. So I cannot really assure you where you can get, but if you can get hands on this one, this is one of the best sunscreen available out there. Coming to the sunscreen, now I also got Requel's Sheer Zinc Tinted Sunscreen. I've already done a complete dedicated review which you can check it in the bottom box below, but this is also a very good sunscreen. It has SPF 50, PA rating of 3+. It also has a universal tint, so it can suit to a vast amount of audience. It is also very mattifying and this costed me about 795 rupees for 50 ml. And I've mentioned all of the direct links to buy in the description box below. Now this is not exactly a skincare, but I do really apply oils regularly on my skin. So this is basically your 100% pure sweet almond oil. Now I like applying it not on my face but on my body. So after I'm done with my body lotion, I like to add an occlusive layer of an oil. Now this particular oil is not that oily but also does gives you that slippery oily feeling and it absorbs pretty nicely. It keeps your skin well hydrated. Now sweet almond oil, if you get 100% cold press, it's a little bit expensive than your Bajaj almond oil. So this is just your sweet almond oil. It costed me again I think 300 to 500 rupees. I don't currently remember the price, but it is a 200 ml bottle. This is a Cetaphil moisturizer that I again bought because I wanted to do a review of it. Many of you guys were requesting me for it. So this is the Cetaphil Damp Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. I bought the smallest one. This moisturizer, I do really like it, but I don't really religiously use it. So yeah, stay tuned for the review. It costed me again I think 150 to 200 rupees, maybe even less for 50 gram of product, and it's a really nice travel size product. Now this is the only makeup item that I bought. So this is the Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline. This is my go-to mascara. It is cheap, it is affordable, it gives you enough volume for the day, and I do enjoy my mascara which doesn't gives you that spidery kind of lashes. It doesn't do so. It has a very smooth texture and for the price this is completely justifiable. I got it for 200 or even 300 rupees. Now coming on to couple of repurchases. The first repurchase that I did was this baby diaper cream from Cetaphil. Now if you are concerned about why an adult like me is using a baby diaper cream, you can check on to my keratosis pilaris video to know why I use it. So yeah, I repurchased this one. Costed me again about like 200 to maybe like 350 rupees. Another repurchase that I got is this cleansing balm from Plum. Now this Plum cleansing balm is not an extraordinary cleansing balm, not my favorite, but this is the cheapest one that I can find always. So I go through cleansing balms quite often, and this one suits me decently, so I like repurchasing it. And my sister also uses it, and this has fragrance, but it doesn't really irritates my skin. It does removes my sunscreen, my makeup beautifully. I got it for 419 rupees in Amazon sale, so yeah, amazing bargain for that. Now I bought some like food related stuff. If you are interested in these sort of like food and random hauls, let me know. But the things that I got are like couple of repurchases. So I was out of my rolled oats, and this is a company that I really like for rolled oats. This is from a brand called as True Elements, and I got that 2.5 kg, and this one costed me around like 315 rupees in Amazon sale, which is a bargain. Now processed oats, which is the Quaker oats, it doesn't really gives you anything, it's just plain carbs. But rolled oats on the other hand gives you a lot of fiber, has a lot of flavor, and also has a lot more protein. So this is the oats that I typically use for overnight oats. And the second oats that I bought is this steel cut oats. Now steel cut oats are my favorite oats. I do not like oat groats because they are too much chewy, but these are like the perfect sweet spot. Now these have the amazing oat flavor that you can ever get. These also have the husk around it, so you are getting all the proteins or the fibers. And these one I generally like to cook with my apples, and every time I'm having like a protein oats kind of a thing. So this one is a little bit expensive. For 2.5 kilos you pay about 520 rupees, which is a bargain for me, and I also got it in Amazon sale. Now couple of other food related stuff. If you are like a fan of rice cracker, this is the company that I really like. This is from a company called as Kari Kari, and these are basically like rice crackers, but these are in a bite size variant, and they do come with the addition of peanuts, so it's a really nice snack if you are in a hunch of like healthy snacks. If I'm not wrong, a 50 gram or 60 gram, which is by the way huge, and I think you cannot finish a 50 gram or 60 gram cracker in one go, but that one is only like 100 calories. So yeah, if you are in a hunch of like very yummy and roasted rice crackers, this is the one for you. And you can also get it in like bigger packets, but I do really like the smaller one because it helps me to not overeat. And I'm not going to bore you more with food related stuff, but these are the last two stuff that I bought like in terms of food. So the first one is an abomination of matcha. Now this is called a tencha, and I was really excited for it. It is called as iced matcha cold blend, and I somehow thought that it will be unsweetened, and if it was sweetened it would be like a little bit, but yeah, it's heck lot of sugar and I regret buying it. I bought it from Schmitten by the way, but in Amazon it cost about like 495 rupees, but you do get a glass tumbler which is really cute, and that is the only reason that I got from Schmitten. From Schmitten I paid about like 199 rupees because this was in their trial process, and I used my 6 trial points on that. It's a complete waste if you are a strong matcha drinker like me, but if you are new into matcha, this is an amazing choice because it does contains a little bit of sweetener that will get you through that bitter matcha, but for me it's an abomination of matcha. And lastly, I got my like refills of this Daily Greens and Grandma's Kada from Wellbeing Nutrition. Now if you are new to this brand, this is basically a brand that does a lot of health related stuff. So let me first talk about the Daily Greens. So these are basically like a 15 pack kind of a thing. So basically in our current diet, do not have a lot of greens and a lot of leafy vegetables, and you do not get a lot of minerals and vitamins which are essential for your body. So instead of taking a multivitamin, I do take these. These are, I believe, have like 30 to 40 kinds of greens, including kale, spinach, and all of that amazingness. So basically this is your green juice, but it doesn't taste bad like a green juice, and it only tastes like a yummy Eno. So if you are a fan of Eno and fizzy drinks and you want a multivitamin for yourself, I think this one are amazing. This one doesn't really has a lot of side effects as such. It is gluten free, it is non-GMO, it is also organic, it is sugar free, and it is also no allergen tested. So yeah, if you are in a hunt of like addition to your skin and overall health, these are really great because after having this, my skin is literally clearing up of those little tiny allergic reactions that I have from trying some of the new products. So yeah, I can vouch for this. And these are not at all that expensive if you compare to the all benefits. For one tablet you pay something about like 8 to 16 rupees. If you compare it like that, it doesn't even cost that much. For one pack which has 15 tablets, you pay around like 300 rupees. So yeah, amazing bargain for me. Another thing that I wanted to introduce is this grandma's kada. Now basically you know what a kada means if you are an Indian, like this medicinal kind of a tea that our grandmas or our mothers or even our fathers make. So my father always makes a kada, but it does requires a lot of time. But if you compare it with this one, it has a lot of different herbal extract that you cannot easily get from the market, such as mulethi, amla, turmeric and other stuff that are really good for our bodies. So whenever I am having a little bit of cough or cold and my overall body is not right, these are my saviors. I first tried it from Schmitten and I'm in love with this. It does taste a little bit bitter like a kada, but it does has a little bit of sweetener added to it. If you want to have a kada which doesn't taste like blah, this is a really great option. And also it's a little bit cheaper than the Daily Green, so you pay something about 6 rupees to 8 rupees per tablet, which is not that bad. That was the food related stuff. Coming on to the last two stuff of this haul. So the first one that I repurchased is this Aranya hair mask. This is my favorite hair mask of all time. This is cheap, this is affordable. This whole bottle, 200 ml bottle, will cost you something about 300 to 500 rupees. It gives your hair like this frizz-free look. I also used it today and my roots also feel nourished after using this. And I first tried it again from Schmitten, and this is the best product that I've tried from their brand. It does has argan oil and it does has a really nice like spa kind of a smell, which I really adore. So yeah, if you are in a hunt of hair mask, you can try this one. Coming on to the last product, I bought a natural deodorant for myself. I have been using this for I think 1 year or 1+ year. I'm not quite sure, but this is from Sheer Secrets and this is their active silver iron deodorant cream. Now this one does contains I think extracts in form of mint extract, and also has lemon cypress, so it doesn't has any kind of additional fragrance. As it is a natural deodorant, it won't really clog your pores in your underarms or wherever you are applying. It also doesn't really stains your t-shirt, which other deodorant does by the way, and it also lasts me pretty much in winters for the whole entire day, but in the summers when I am sweaty, I like to reapply it every like 6 to 8 hours, which is enough for me. But yeah, this one, if you are in a hunt of like a good natural deodorant or a deodorant that doesn't really pigments your skin, this is a great choice. And also it's pretty affordable for a whole tub, which is by the way will last you for 2 to 3 months, will cost you about 200 rupees or even 300 rupees. So yeah, amazing buy, you can surely try it out. Hey guys, so that was my small little chotu sa haul video. If you enjoyed this video, like this video, comment down below if you enjoy haul videos like me, and also share this video to any of your haul fanatic friends. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video with teenage skincare. So bye bye and take care.